This is a big idea. It's something that we think will fundamentally change how we will move, how we will live, where we live. This is how we're going to get around in the future. I'm Jack Withenshaw. I'm the Chief Commercial Officer and co-founder of Airspeeder, the world's first flying car racing series. These things, they're called eVTOLs, electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles. They're clean air mobility solutions. When we started Airspeeder, we had the big vision. Everybody's going to own a flying car one day. And tracking that backwards, just as it was with the automotive era 120 years ago, it starts with racing. It's a confined environment, it's relatively safe, but it's exciting, it allows technology to start to flourish. And it's that technology piece that makes Airspeeder so special. These are the types of technologies that we're going to be testing at the edge within Airspeeder. So we're integrating Dell and Intel technology throughout the whole stack, from design, engineering, flying, and operating the vehicles out in the field. We use the ProMax workstations as a way to be able to design new components in CAD. We're then able to print them, use AI to be able to reduce a lot of the weight out of it, and then we're actually testing that in the field within a week. That is an incredible iteration cycle that you just don't see in aviation. Our pilot control station, that is a performance workstation that is driving the infrastructure for the vehicles, which we're doing in the middle of the deserts. So we're using PowerEdge servers, we're using performance computing to be able to actually control the vehicles out there in the field. One of the biggest breakthroughs that we've had in a partnership with Dell and Intel is creating AI force fields. This is the technology that will allow flying cars in our cities. We're not just solving problems for now, we're actually working with Dell to understand what problems Dell and Airspeeder can solve together. When we're racing on the racetrack, it's not just about racing, it's about developing the infrastructure and technology layers that will define the cities of tomorrow.